Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Geneva K. And today I'm going to show you how to do this desert sort of gold eyeshadow look. This little cut crease that I created today. Even though I wanted to do like an all red eyeshadow like this, or orange one. But you know, it didn't work out. This happened. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my face with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the scent Coconut. And as you can see, like I rushed through like doing my eyebrows because you guys already see me do it like 100 times. But if you want an updated brow tutorial, even though I have like one already up on my channel, just comment down below and I'll be sure to film that video. I'm just going to let it sink in by fanning it. And I'm just going to press that into my skin. And this really keeps me hydrated and keeps the foundation from looking dry, because I hate looking dry with my foundation. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Kat Von D primer. I'm just taking this much. And I'm just moisturizing my smile lines so they won't get like caked up. I'm going to take some under my dark circles just so they can stay moisturized as well. Usually I'll put that primer all over my face, but I don't want to look too like oily today. I just quickly went to wet my beauty blender to keep it damp and moist for my foundation. And you don't want your beauty blender to be too wet, so I just put it in a towel after I wet it and just like squeeze out the excess water. So I'm going in with my favorite foundation, my Lancome one. It's in the shade 10, the one that I always use. So I'm just using 1.5 pumps on the back of my hand. And just lightly going around the perimeter of my face and then bringing it up. And as you know, I don't like too much foundation because I rather have like lots of concealer and powder rather than too much foundation, because then everything's going to look cakey and stuff. So I just put a little bit. And blending is the key, because if you don't blend your foundation, like there's going to be so much streaks and stuff. So make sure you blend out a lot. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm just using this to conceal and highlight my T-zone. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle as my contour shade. And I think I need to get a darker shade because this one, it adds warmth but not like definition. I'm gonna blend out like my nose and under my lip first. And I always forget to blend under my lips, and then I set my face with the powder and stuff, and then it just ruins everything. But that's why I'm trying to do it first today before my concealer dries. Now I'm going to be setting with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. It's almost finished, so I need my new one. I've had this for like a year, I'm pretty sure, and it's really good. I'm gonna be bronzing with this eyeshadow palette. I'm using these two shades and a bit of this one. I'm gonna be moving on to blush with this eyeshadow palette. I use eyeshadow palettes for like most of my bronzing, contouring, and blushes. Cause why not? You know, they're really pigmented. They work. Okay, so yesterday was my birthday, and I had a party. And I also wanted to film yesterday like my birthday look, but I didn't have time because we had to go buy food, and then I don't know, we had a little setback of like the location and stuff and telling people where to go, this and that. So I didn't really have time to do my makeup, and the guests came, my friends came for the party, and then I was still doing my makeup, so they had to wait for me before we could start the party, of course. But yeah. So I kind of had to rush my makeup a bit. Like my eyeshadow, I didn't really like my eyeshadow. It was cute, but like I didn't do the cut crease that I wanted to, but it was nice still. And but my foundation, it was good though. I didn't really touch up the whole night, so. But if you want to see the videos of like the party and stuff, it's on my Instagram, Snapchat. My Instagram is @Francesca_, and my Snapchat is Francis_SL. I'll put it in the description bar, like all my socials and stuff. But yeah, it was really, really fun. There was a lot of food, but I didn't eat anything. I was too focused on like making everyone, seeing if everyone's happy, like dancing and stuff like that. So I didn't really eat. So, and they finished all the food. And guess what? This morning, I went downstairs. I'm like, Mom, can I have some cake? And I found out that she threw away the cake. She was like, it was out all night, so I chucked it in the bin. Tragic. Because like I didn't really eat the cake also. I don't know, I just didn't feel like eating yesterday, but now when I want the food, not there. I'm gonna do highlight and then move on to my eyeshadow, which I'm so excited for because I got new palettes like as like birthday presents and stuff, so I'm so excited to try it out. But first I have to highlight my face. So I'm just going in with my Too Faced what's it called? You Light Up My Life highlight. And it's kind of broken, so I need to be careful with it. I'm also going to take my favorite Kylie loose pigment in the shade Fiji. I love mixing these two together. And last night my highlight wasn't blinding because I rushed it. But, you know, whatevs. And I want to try and like recreate my makeup that I did last night for my party. But, I don't know if I remember how I did my eyeshadow. I'll try and get that up for you guys. How do you guys feel about this look so far? And don't worry, I'm gonna put on my wig later. I just have to finish my makeup so I can take some photos. So I'm gonna conceal my eyelids to get ready for my eyeshadow and stuff. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's in the shade Caramel. And I'm using a light concealer to like brighten up the colors I'm about to use. As you can see, I'm just blending out the color, and I'm not going to set it because like I want the color to stand out and stuff. I'm just patting it into my skin as well. So I'm using my BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So while the concealer's still tacky, I'm going to go in with with this shade and then this shade. I don't think they have names. And as you can see, I'm trying to like match the color of my nails. And I'm just going to place the color first and then start blending. So I'm going to blend it out with this shade and a bit of this shade as well. And I'm just gonna add a bit more of the base color and start blending. So to darken it up now, I'm just going to take this black in this palette and I'm just going to apply that to the edges of my eye. I'm really trying to give this look some depth and dimension. I'm going to tap into this purple to kind of give it a warm but darker effect. Now I'm just going to blend out the edges with a clean brush with no product on it. Now I'm going to do a cut crease with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. just going back in with the purple to kind of get rid of that harsh line. So I'm just patting that in first while swiping a little bit. For the shimmer shade, I'm going to go in with my new Sports Girl palette. It's called I Shade It. I'm going in with my Honey Money shade. It's like this really golden gold. I was planning on doing like a red eyeshadow, like a matte, just red eyeshadow. Then it turned into this like golden desert kind of theme. How do you guys think? I'm going to be using my new Sports Girl mascara. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. My friend got it for me. I'm going to apply mascara and I'll be right back. So now for lipstick, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb.
Hi girls! What's poppin'? No.
What's poppin', YouTube channel? What's poppin', YouTube? You wanna see me head? Huh?
You look nice.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'm just gonna do my hair. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't really talk a lot, but I just wanted to get in, play with makeup, and talk to you guys for a bit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave my socials down below in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!